As promised, we're going to go ahead and try 2 products from PJN Kids Coco Shea line on my 13-year-old son. So if you want to see this and what it can do, stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and we're going to go ahead and get right into these 2 products from Product Junkie Naturals. We're going to go ahead and start off with the Coco Shea London's Marshmallow Slip Detangling Condish. He just washed his hair. I'm just going to go ahead and re-wet it a little bit more. And if you saw my previous video when I unboxed these 2, you already know what it looks like, but let's try it out in his hair. He's grown his hair out a little bit. Normally he uses a sponge brush up here, and normally this is cut in line, but it's not right now, and that's okay. We're gonna see what this does for his hair. Detangling Condish. Nice and smooth. How does it smell?
Good.
What does it smell like to you?
Apples.
Apples?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What else does it smell like to you?
That's really it.
Apples. I don't get apples, but okay. It's made with marshmallow infused distilled water, cocoa butter. It has, let's see, castor oil, shea butter, beetroot extract, hibiscus extract, fenugreek extract. Good stuff. I wish y'all could feel his hair right now, because let me tell you, the curls are popping already. They are popping from this, y'all. I have no problem at all spreading it throughout his hair. Okay, so this says section hair into 4s. Really didn't have to do that with the TWA. But it says apply conditioner to wet, freshly washed hair, distribute evenly, rinse well. So because this is a conditioner, it doesn't really specify deep conditioning, so I don't really have to leave it on there for any amount of time. But you know, me being me, we're gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes, and another 5 minutes I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. I can tell you right now, these curls are starting to pop already. Okay, so I just rinsed it out. That curls popping off all up here, y'all. Nice and conditioned. His hair is soft, manageable. Added in a nice dose of moisture, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Coco Shea Marshmallow Curls Moisture Cream. So just so you know, this has a pH of 4.5. Split hair into 4s, apply cream to section, distribute evenly, and style as desired. Nice and smooth. It's thick enough, but just smooths really, really evenly, just like a lotion would. It actually feels like lotion. And I'm kind of finger combing and rubbing this at the same time through his hair. And I don't even think I needed this much product. Doesn't take much at all. So as they say, a little bit goes a long way. I'll let him use his coil brush like he normally does. I'll show you guys what it looks like once it is done. Okay, so he went in and started using his coil brush, but I'm going to use it some more. So, what side did you use? This side?
Yeah.
That's what he used, I think. Okay, I'll use this side. That is it, roses. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can go ahead and get ready for my next video. But there you go. If you wanted to know if these products work, yes, they do. How does it feel?
Good.
Okay. All right, roses. I'll talk to you later. Bye.